Have you been trying to manifest your dream life but feel like nothing's happening? Don't worry, you're not alone. Manifestation can be incredibly powerful, but it's easy to get stuck when you're unknowingly making these common mistakes. Stick with me and I'll show you how to fix them so you can finally see results. Make sure to subscribe to Affirmation Constellation for the most powerful manifestation techniques. Manifestation isn't magic. It's about aligning your mindset, emotions, and actions to bring your desires into reality. But if it's not working for you, it's probably due to one of these 5 reasons. Let's dive in. The first reason is a lack of emotional alignment. Here's the deal. Manifestation isn't just about thinking about what you want. It's about feeling as if you already have it. If you're stuck in a mindset of wanting, you're signaling to the universe that you don't have it yet. To fix this, practice visualization daily. Close your eyes, imagine your dream life in vivid detail, and feel gratitude and joy as if it's already yours. Reason 2 is impatience or doubt. Are you constantly checking to see if your manifestation is working or worrying it won't happen? This actually blocks your energy. Instead, trust the process. Manifestation is like planting a seed. It takes time to grow. Focus on gratitude for the small signs of progress, and remind yourself that what you're asking for is already on its way. Manifestation isn't about sitting back and doing nothing, but it's also not about forcing results through fear or desperation. The key is inspired action. These are the steps that feel natural and exciting, like reaching out to someone who inspires you or saying yes to unexpected opportunities. When you combine action with belief, you'll notice things start to shift quickly. The fourth reason, limiting beliefs. If deep down you believe you're not worthy of what you want, or you fear success, those thoughts will block your progress. To fix this, write down your negative beliefs and replace them with affirmations. For example, change "I'm not good enough" to "I am capable and deserving of success." Over time, this reprograms your subconscious mind to align with your goals. And finally, lack of consistency. Manifestation isn't a one-time thing, it's a practice. If you're not consistently visualizing, expressing gratitude, or aligning your actions, it's easy to lose focus. Create a daily routine that works for you, whether it's journaling, meditating, or simply revisiting your vision board. Remember, consistency is key to transforming your desires into reality. So, which of these reasons resonates most with you? Comment below and share how you're going to shift your mindset today. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more manifestation tips. Together, let's make your dream life a reality. See you in the next video.